once again.
Good day everyone, you're welcome back to my channel. I'm Atoke from Atoke Coutures. If you are new here, kindly subscribe, turn on the notification bell, hit the like button, and please do good by inviting someone to my channel. Thanks for the support, I really appreciate it, and please don't stop sharing my videos. A few days ago I was online and then I came across this lovely hairband and I was like, wow, this is beautiful. And there is this belief I used to have about this hairband, that you can only achieve it when it has a plastic hairband inside. Like, you can't sew it without a plastic hairband. But recently I got to know that it is not true. Like, it's not completely true. So I want to sew this hairband without a plastic hairband inside. I hope you get me, guys. So I'll be working on this satin fabric. Then I start by measuring length of 40 is 20, then it's on fold of 2, so that gives me 40, and the wideness is 7.5 inches. That's for the main fabric. This is the elastic casing. The elastic casing is 14 inches long by 3.5 inches wide. And then this is the inner fabric. The inner fabric is 14 inches long and 2 inches wide. So I'll be needing this safety pin, and then I have the elastic itself is 4 inches wide and it's a big size elastic. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to fold it into two, just the way I'm doing in the video. Then I'll measure ½ inch upward, 4 inches on a straight line. Then I'll connect it just like I'm doing, and then go ahead to cut it out. After which I'll open it up, fold it into two, making sure the right side is facing the right side. Then I'll pin it all across from the beginning to the end on a straight line, just like I'm doing in the video. After pinning it, I'll take it to my sewing machine and run a straight stitch across the part that is pinned. Guys, please subscribe, give my video a thumbs up, share my video amongst your soulmates. Straight line, I'm going to bring it out just like I'm doing in the video. I will turn it to the right side. Then after turning it to the right side, I'll make sure the joining is at the middle. So I'll kind of bring the joining to the middle, not on the side. I'll bring it to the middle. So that is that for the main fabric. Then I'll move ahead to working on the elastic casing. I'll fold it into two, just like I did for the other one, making sure that the right side is facing right side. Now I'll pin it all across down on that side and take it to my sewing machine to run a straight stitch across the part that is pinned. After sewing across that part, I'll also turn it to the right side just like I did for the main fabric. I'll turn it out, then make sure the joining is at the middle. I'll kind of shift the joining to the middle. That is for the elastic casing. Then the next thing I'm going to do is I'll pass the elastic inside the elastic casing with the help of my safety pin. I'll just pass it inside just like I'm doing in the video. After passing it inside, I'll secure the elastic inside with stitch. I'll stitch it up, I'll stitch it down, just to hold down the elastic inside the elastic casing. After then, after sewing up and sewing down of the elastic casing, I'm supposed to have something looking like this. Then I'll go ahead to pass the inner fabric inside the main fabric with the help of my safety pin. Just pass it the way I'm doing it in the video. Then I'll pin it down at the upper part and also pin it down at the lower part before I take it to my sewing machine and secure it with a straight stitch. Guys, this is a DIY project. It's something you can just do all by yourself at the comfort of your house. You don't even need the basic knowledge of tailoring before you should be able to achieve this. I think you should try yours and then you like it. So I'm going to stitch that part, the upper part, and I'm also stitching the lower part. After then, I'll have something looking like this. I think it's already looking beautiful. The next I will do is I will take the elastic casing that the elastic is already passed across and place it on the main fabric, making sure that the center is facing the center, as in the part that is stitched is facing the part that is stitched on the elastic casing and also on the main fabric. Then I will flip that part over and flip the lower part over. I'll secure it down with an office pin. I'll pin it and do the same thing to the other side. I'll make sure the joint part is facing the joint part. I'll flip the first part over and flip the second part over. Then I'll pin it down with an office pin. After then, I'll take it to my sewing machine and stitch that part very well. Stitch the other part too very well. So after stitching the both sides, I'll turn it out just like I'm doing. I'll turn the other side too out, and then this is the outcome of the headband. Isn't it beautiful? Like, I'm in love already. I just love it. You should try yours, guys. Thanks for watching to the end. give my video a thumbs up. Let me know what you think in the comment section. I love this. It is very, very beautiful. Thanks for staying. I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys.